STRIDE is Sports Translational Research for Improved Development and Excellence. So essentially what that is it has a research underpinning for translating measurements of athleticism and health from general populations all the way to elite athletic populations. The development of STRIDE begins with some of our interest in long-term athlete development. Some of the programs through the WellFit Center, such as Summer Skills Physical Activity Camp, as well as our SciFit Academies, Jayhawk Performance, and then of course the work that's being conducted and has been conducted in the Jayhawk Athletic Performance Lab. There are a couple different components. So one element is the service element, where we are able to provide measurements of health, athleticism, and peak performance. Another component is a research component, where we are actively working to develop a database related to those measurements, right, for the developmental athlete. And then that last piece is a translational piece. So what does it all mean, and how can coaches and sports medicine professionals action the data that we've collected? You know, big things, they start small, so there's definitely an opportunity to serve the entire state of Kansas, but starting off small and making sure that number one, that we are well equipped, well staffed, and that we have the right means to address the needs is where it really begins, but also understanding the importance that developing athletes takes throughout the middle school, high school level has really motivated us to begin with Bonner Springs and hopefully expand some of the work that we're doing throughout the rest of the state. I'm really just excited to see how it evolves. You know, just a few weeks ago, you know, it was a thought, actually a couple months ago, it was really just a thought, a bright idea, and in the form of a research grant proposal. And to see it go from grant proposal to materializing into an actual program, to where we hosted superintendents, and now we progressed up to working and serving a school district. I'm excited to see how it evolves. I think there are two end results, where the first is KU is able to interact and we are able to serve the greater state of Kansas, specifically related to athletic health and performance testing, assessment, and intervention. And then that second piece is healthier, stronger, more powerful, faster, more robust athletes that are developed here in the great state of Kansas.